Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to dive into something that many of us dream about, earning money with little to no effort. That's right, today we're talking about passive income strategies for beginners and how you can start earning $100 a day without working 24/7. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around, because I'm going to share with you some simple, actionable steps to get started on the path to earning money passively. First things first, let's talk about what passive income really means. If you've ever heard of the term, you might be wondering, how does it work, and why is it so appealing? Passive income is money you earn regularly with little to no effort once the initial setup is done. Unlike a traditional job where you exchange hours for dollars, passive income means you can be earning money while you sleep, travel, or enjoy your free time. Now, before you think this is all about secret tricks or magic, let me tell you, it does take some work up front, but the beauty is, once you set things in motion, the money keeps flowing in, often with minimal ongoing effort. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income is by creating and selling digital products. These can be things like ebooks, online courses, printables, or even design templates. For example, if you're good at writing, you could write an ebook or a guide on something you're passionate about. Once it's created, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Etsy, or Gumroad. The best part, you create it once, and then you can sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. If you're into graphic design, making and selling templates like resume templates, social media post templates, or planners is another great option. You only need to create them once and then let the sales roll in. Websites like Etsy or Creative Market allow you to set up a shop and start selling your digital products with little cost to you. Plus, there are tons of tutorials online to help you get started. Once your products are live, you'll be able to earn money on autopilot. Next up, let's talk about investing in dividend stocks. If you've got a little bit of money saved up and want to put it to work for you, investing in dividend-paying stocks is a fantastic passive income strategy. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. These dividends can come in monthly, quarterly, or yearly payouts, and the best part is that you don't have to do anything after your initial investment. You simply buy shares of these companies, and over time, you'll start receiving passive income through dividends. Now, before you dive into this, it's important to do some research on companies that are known for paying reliable dividends. Some popular platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity can help you build a diversified portfolio with low fees. The key here is consistency, and remember, dividend investing isn't a get-rich-quick strategy, it's about steady growth over time. If you enjoy creating content, another way to earn passive income is by starting a YouTube channel or a blog. I know, it sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, once you create content that gets traffic, it can earn you money day after day. Both YouTube and blogging allow you to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. Once you've uploaded a video or a blog post, it can continue to generate views and clicks for months or even years, bringing in consistent revenue. While building an audience does take time, the effort is worth it. YouTube has the AdSense program, where ads will play on your videos, and you get paid for the views. Similarly, blogs can be monetized with ads from Google AdSense or affiliate links. The more content you create, the more chances you have for earning money passively. And the cool part is, once the content is live, it requires minimal effort to maintain. Just keep producing, and watch the income grow. Alright, now that we've covered 3 solid passive income strategies, here are some tips to make sure you're getting the most out of them. Automation is your best friend when it comes to passive income. For instance, if you're selling digital products, set up automated delivery on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. That way, when someone buys your product, it's automatically delivered to them without you lifting a finger. For investing in dividend stocks, you can set up auto investing with platforms like Acorns or Robinhood to invest on a regular schedule without doing anything. Another important strategy is reinvesting your earnings. Whether it's from dividends or product sales, reinvesting your profits into other income streams or products will help you compound your earnings faster. For example, if you receive dividends, reinvest them into more dividend-paying stocks to increase your future payouts. Finally, consistency is key. While passive income sounds great, it doesn't happen overnight. Set realistic goals and stay consistent with your efforts. Even if you start with just $10 or $20 a day, that's progress. As you continue to grow your income streams, you'll be on your way to hitting that $100 a day goal. So, there you have it, 3 easy and actionable passive income strategies you can start today to earn $100 a day with zero ongoing effort. Remember, the real key is to start small and build your income over time. Whether you're creating digital products, investing in stocks, or starting a blog or YouTube channel, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below letting me know which passive income strategy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post new content. I've got tons more helpful tips coming your way, so stay tuned and join our community. Thanks for watching.